I'm here with MaxHousePrice. We're just about to start a new project here in Fair Lakes. I'm actually working with my good friends at TVRG Homes, where we're partnering together with them and their seller, where they took advantage of our win-win home selling system to net them more money at sale, where we pay for all the work that we're going to do here. So we're in Fair Lakes. So this is a condo townhouse. If you know the area, like right over there, I believe on that end, you can walk to Whole Foods, Payway, Starbucks. Like, it's just an awesome location. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2 level, and we're gonna just be, doing some, cosmetic work and some work to the bathroom. So not that old of a home, but it just needs a little bit of TLC to bring it up to what buyers look for today. So first thing is you walk in, we have this huge open area. We're actually gonna sand and refinish these hardwood floors. If you take a look, they've been worn a little bit, so we just wanna kinda get those back to shining really nice and clean. And then as we look into the kitchen here, nice kitchen, cabinets are good, but we got appliances that are mismatched. We got black stove and microwave, and then we have a stainless dishwasher and stainless fridge, and the fridge has got some nicks on it and stuff, so we want to take care of that. So we're going to put in a new appliance package here. Cabinets we're actually leaving alone. They look good, but we are going to put in granite. So we got about, I think, like 45 square feet of granite to put in here. So that's just going to really make it pop once that's all done. And then we have this tile in the kitchen here, and then in the foyer in the front there, and we're just going to be bringing the company in that we use a lot to just come in and clean this grout to just make this tile look brand new. And then you actually have the powder room right off of here, where it's the same thing. And in here, this is fine. We're actually just going to replace the light fixture in here and just get something a little bit more modern. You actually have a garage, which is awesome. So you have a garage right here in the back. So you can see this is worn a little bit. So we're gonna get the epoxy paint and we're gonna refinish this floor in here. But that's about all that needs to be done in the garage. We're obviously gonna be painting everything in here. So we still, we just have like the white builder grade walls. It's never been painted. You can see like they removed their furniture. So there's just, kind of dust and debris from over the years. So we're gonna be doing the gray walls, white ceiling, white trim. Again, we're replacing this hallway fixtures where they still have the brass, just get rid of that. We're gonna replace all the vents and switch plate covers and everything through the house so that just looks clean. These steps are in good shape. These were done after, so nothing that we need to do here. So as we walk upstairs, again, you have another hallway fixture, and then you have one down there. But this fan's in great shape, looks good, so nothing needed to be done there. I actually had laminate put in here, so it ties in really well with the hardwood. So again, you have 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. So up here in the bedrooms, we're actually gonna be removing the carpet, and we're gonna put in laminate to match, and then we're gonna be painting everything in these bedrooms. So that's just gonna look really nice when it's done. And then in this bathroom here, we're gonna be putting in a new quartz countertop, painting the vanities, new hardware, new faucet, new mirror, and new light fixture. So this is gonna look really nice when it's done. It's gonna give a nice modern look to the bathroom. Same thing, we're gonna clean the tile in here, just get this cleaned up so it looks nice and new. And then as we walk over to the master bedroom, really nice size master here. So same thing, we're gonna be putting in laminate in here. So it's just gonna be all consistent throughout, just bring everything together. Fan's great in here, we don't need to touch that, so we're just gonna leave that. Everything's gonna get cleaned when it's done, and then you have a bathroom in here as well, and we're gonna be doing the same thing. We're gonna be replacing this top, we're gonna put in the quartz remnant, the new faucets, and new mirror, new lights, and just clean everything up along with the tile. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about how you or your clients might be able to take advantage of our win-win home selling system, feel free to send us a message or give us a call or text us at 703-215-2144. Thanks so much.